In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to Bview's Compare and Annotation tools, two major features of Bview for daily reviews. Most of the time, you organize the different version of your work into a Bview project, a playlist for review. The most simple comparison mode, and by the way, the most used in Bview, is the flip-flop between images that you can access through the key page up, page down to go down, and page up to go upper. Other comparison modes exist. Before using any compare mode, you have to set the buffers beforehand. Key 1 and 2 to switch between buffers A and B. You can also toggle them by clicking on the toolbar. Buffer A is automatically filled with the current media selected, so we just need to set our buffer B by clicking on the other media. Now we can go on Tools and select a compare mode, Wipe, Blend, or Diff. Wipe allows you to drag cursors left, right, top, bottom to reveal a picture over the other. You can reset the cursor's position by clicking on R at the top right side. Blend stacks both pictures together with transparency. And Diff displays all the differences between the two pictures. The dual view is another way to compare. Press F2 to enable and select Teleview. As you can see, both media are read at the same time, and any manipulation will be duplicated. You can change the play mode to loop to ease the review process. However, each view has its own display of color management. You can also desynchronize both views by disabling lock view or lock time. Press F1 to return to single view. Okay, now let's say we are reviewing a work and need to add comments on some frames. We want to send them all at once to the team. Artists will receive a note with the annotated images so they know exactly what to do. We need to open the annotation panel and select a tool, pencil, brushes, eraser, or any other standard tools. You can add a note at each frame. The frames that have notes are highlighted on the timeline. The option panel allows you to set the drawing size, its opacity, and color. You can also show and hide your notes, go to the previous or next frame containing a note, delete current or all notes on one or all frames. The annotation text has its own menu to set the look and feel you want. You can move, copy, or manage the order of text. When the review process is finished, you can save your notes alongside your Bview project as image sequences. For example, to upload it into your production management tool, to keep track of the comments, or submitting them by email. We can also export them and link them on another media to apply the same annotation on other image sequences. And last but not least, you can export your media to another format, including your notes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Others are upcoming, so stay tuned. Thank you for choosing Bview.